Poor circulation isn't just about feeling achy after a long day. It can lead to a whole host of problems down the road, from varicose veins to even trouble healing wounds. When you're glued to the couch, your calf muscles, your body's natural pumps for blood flow aren't engaged. This blood starts to pool in your legs, leading to that heavy, sluggish feeling. Here are top 7 ways to quickly improve circulation in your legs, especially for those fantastic folks over 50. Our bodies were built to move, and that includes our legs. Even small bursts of activity can make a big difference. Here are some easy ways to incorporate movement into your day. Stuck at your desk? No problem. Every hour, do some simple ankle circles, 10 in each direction. Then, raise and lower your heels for a quick calf pump. It might feel silly, but trust me, your legs will thank you. Ditch the elevator. Taking the stairs is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Plus, it strengthens those leg muscles. Walking is a low-impact, accessible way to boost circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Bonus points if you can find a scenic route to turn your walk into a mini mindfulness session. Think of your legs as hard-working streams, constantly pumping blood back up to your heart. Gravity can lend a helping hand. Here are a few ways to elevate your legs and improve circulation. After dinner, instead of settling straight into your favorite chair, grab a few pillows and prop your legs up for 20-30 minutes. This allows the blood to drain more efficiently, reducing that uncomfortable heaviness. Elevate the foot of your mattress by a few inches using wedges or even bricks. Just make sure it's stable. This slight incline encourages better blood flow throughout the night, leaving you feeling refreshed in the morning. Traveling by plane? Skip the fight for the armrest and elevate your legs by placing your carry-on luggage underneath your seat. This simple trick can make a big difference on long journeys. Compression socks might not be the most glamorous accessory, but they can be a game changer for leg circulation. Here's how they work. Compression socks apply gentle pressure on your legs, helping to squeeze blood back up towards your heart. This reduces pooling and swelling, especially after long periods of sitting or standing. Most compression socks are designed with graduated pressure, meaning the pressure is strongest at the ankle and gradually decreases as it moves up the leg. This helps to mimic the natural pumping action of your calf muscles. Compression socks come in various strengths. It's important to talk to your doctor to determine the right type and compression level for your specific needs. Inflammation in your body can be a sneaky culprit behind poor circulation. Here's how food can fight back. Certain foods are packed with antioxidants and other compounds that can help reduce inflammation. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, oranges, leafy greens, and tomatoes. These vibrant options are nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Don't fear healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, as well as nuts and seeds, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Spices like ginger and turmeric are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Adding a sprinkle to your meals can be a delicious way to potentially improve circulation. A good leg massage can be pure bliss, but it also offers some surprising circulation benefits. Massaging your legs in a circular motion towards your heart helps to stimulate blood flow, reducing that achy feeling and promoting overall leg health. Poor circulation can contribute to tight, uncomfortable muscles. A massage helps to loosen and relax those muscles, improving flexibility and range of motion. You can enjoy the benefits of a leg massage at home by simply rubbing your legs for a few minutes each day. However, a professional massage therapist can provide a deeper, more targeted treatment for even greater benefits. Here's a trick you might not know. Alternating hot and cold compresses can be a great way to stimulate circulation. Apply a warm compress for a few minutes, followed by a cold compress for a shorter duration. Repeat this cycle a few times. We all know water is essential for good health, but did you know it plays a crucial role in circulation? Water helps thin your blood, making it flow more smoothly and reducing the risk of clots. Proper hydration ensures your body can deliver essential nutrients to your leg muscles, keeping them functioning optimally. Think of your blood vessels like a network of pipes. Water helps lubricate these vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow throughout your legs. These are just some tips to get you started. If you're experiencing any concerning symptoms like severe pain, numbness, or changes in skin color, be sure to consult with your doctor. They can help you determine the underlying cause and develop a personalized treatment plan. That's it for today's top 7 ways to get that blood pumping and improve circulation in your legs. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can keep those legs feeling strong and healthy for years to come. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fantastic health and wellness content. In the comments below, let us know which tip you're most excited to try and share any circulation boosting tricks that work for you. And until next time, take care of those incredible bodies and keep on thriving.